Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like forever since I've uploaded last, and I am so sorry. I've just had a lot going on in my life and it's just been crazy. But I've noticed I have some new faces on my channel. I've got some new subscribers lately, so thank you so much to everyone who's been subscribing and watching my content. It really means a lot to me, so thank you. With that being said, I'm back at you with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a sort of product review, which I haven't really done before, but this is a product that I've been loving for a long time now, and I just have to spread the word about it for people who don't know. So this is a product from Walmart, and I just want to preface, I'm a really small YouTube channel. This is not sponsored. No one's paying me to talk about this or anything. This is my own opinion of this product, and I just want to share this product with other people because I wish that I had known about it sooner. So that is all this is. This is genuine thoughts coming at you. So what this product is an organizer. This is from Walmart, as I said, and I got it in the craft department. Now this one, as you can see, I have Legos in it. This is perfect for lots of things, but in this case, I'm using it for all the extra pieces that I get with my Lego sets because they always come with extras, which I think is great in case you lose something in the process, or if you just think it's a cool piece and you want to build something else with it later. So this one has 12 slots. And it's got all my Legos, so I've kind of got like special, like really unique pieces in here. I've got like some square things in here, little round things in here, that kind of thing. And then primarily what I've been using them for before I started keeping Legos in them is beads. I like to make jewelry. If you followed me on my channel for a while, you know that I like to make jewelry. So here is one that I have with beads in it. Now, the reason I am raving about this product, I know what you're thinking, like this is just a organizer, like how is this different than other organizers? Well, let me tell you. So the thing with this is the dividers are built in. They do not come out. So what is good about that is if they come out, if they're removable, I get it. It's nice to be able to determine I want this slot to be double wide because I have more of this thing and this will make more room, and then I have less of this, so I'm gonna make it shorter. I get that, and that's a great concept, but typically in my experience, when the dividers come separate and you like tear them apart and put them in, they don't stay in place. I have to hot glue them or my beads will mix together. Like this one I have over here, this just has completed items in it, and I haven't put any dividers in here. But there are the dividers that go in these slots, like right here. They do not stay in. I have an organizer with 3 drawers like this. It's smaller, and I have all my beads in it, and they got mixed. I was moving out of state, and when I got there, I unpacked my organizer. All the beads had mixed together, and it was not pretty. This was before I realized they were removable to the point that I needed to hot glue them in place. So the dividers are not removable. I'm just gonna open this and show you. Like, they do not come out. They are stuck in there. And the other thing that I really, really, really love about this is the top of the dividers are flush with the underside of the lid. So you make sure they have little clippies. Make sure that the lid is in place here, and then dump it upside down. There you go. Literally, excuse me, nothing mixed up in here. Nothing. I would never do that with the thing like the organizer I just showed you with my jewelry in it. I would never do that with that because they would have been mixed everywhere. Dividers would have fallen out. It would have been chaos, and I would have had to spend hours trying to fix it. So that is what I really love about this product. And it comes in 2 sizes. This one is the 12 holes, and then I also have this one. This one's 18 holes. Yes, I have a lot of beads. Let me show you again, just for effect. I've dumped this completely upside down. Obviously, you want to make sure, if you're going to test this for yourself, you want to make sure the lid is clamped on good enough, obviously. But literally nothing mixed together. There was one time, a little disclaimer, there was one time I had like a little tiny bead get like right here on the divider between the, but it still didn't mix in with anything else. I was able to fix it. I didn't have to fish it out. And that was only one time that this happened. So, yeah, so these are really great. They come in, there might be a third size, I'm not remembering, but I've gotten the 18 and the 12. And what is great about these as well as the price, I believe they're like $2 or $3. And the bigger one, I was like, oh, this is gonna be way more money. It's not. It's only like $1 difference or something, if I remember correctly. But don't quote me on this. They are, both sizes are less than $5. I will say that. I think they're even less than $4. So these are great. If you have items that are tiny, like maybe some screws, nuts and bolts, jewelry making like me, any other type of little craft things like jewelry making, like the materials, like the rings, the crimp beads, the earring hooks, anything tiny that you need to sort and organize, like Legos or any kind of building blocks from other building mediums that aren't Lego, just any kind of little tiny things that you need to organize, and you do not need them mixed up. You want them separate. Buy this product. One day I'll stop talking about how great it is for all this stuff, but today is not that day. So yeah, so please just do yourself a favor and buy this. And I do have a large organizer for most of my beads that I'm happy with for the most part. Like I said, I had to hot glue all the dividers in and I haven't really had a problem. But that's just an extra step I don't want to have to worry about. Plus, I just have a problem and I own more colors of beads than will fit in the organizer that does have 3 drawers and lots of compartments. I just have a problem and that's not enough room for all my beads. I mean, let me show you. I have these, and then I have this one, and I have this one, and over here I have these, and then I have this one. Yeah, I have way too many, but I run an Etsy shop and I do craft fairs, and Hobby Lobby always has sales, so I can't help it. But anyway, that's beside the point. Point is, do yourself a favor, get yourself this product. It is great for anything you need to organize. Heck, you could even put like spices in it for your kitchen, like kitchen stuff, ingredients, whatever. Literally, whatever you need to organize that needs to stay separate, buy this. You will not be disappointed. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And yeah, just go to Walmart and buy this, I guess. And just a heads up, I have another fun video coming for you sometime. It sounded weird. I have a video coming for you. It's gonna be coming out sometime this week, and I will be having a special guest. So tune in if you want to see what I'm gonna be doing and who I'm gonna be doing it with. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.